Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Thanks for stopping by today. Listen, today we're not cooking, we're celebrating. I went over the 500 subscriber mark just last night. I'm excited about it. So with that, I'm gonna put together a little like bloopers reel of my first 5 months into this, and at the end I'm gonna announce a giveaway that I'll do a random comment generator and giveaway for helping me get to that point. And hopefully there's many more subs to come and plenty of growth. I want to make this as big as possible, so that's it. So enjoy these bloopers. It's a good time. All right, come on back. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. We're gonna start this right now and wrap this up good. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ, your weekly show on how to
Why?
tired your attitude. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Alright, this is where you fuck up the intro, but we're gonna keep going with it.
And go. I'm taping.
Oh. Welcome everybody to Cooking with CJ. It just says Cooking CJ, huh? I need to figure that one out. Today we're making, I don't know.
Do you need a joke or?
No. I mean, I'm naturally a happy kind of guy. Thank you for coming by if you're a subscriber. Challenge. And before I get to the point and get... Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking CJ. You don't want to do that. Alright guys, we're back. We're at the fridge now. And we dropped our first ingredient. And this is me showing off. What? Oh. Oh. Dude. Oh, we dropped one. Oh, it happens. Don't look at that. Oh, it's burning hot. We're gonna go ahead and use this one. And there goes camera one. What up, it's your boy CJ. We're doing another review of fast food joints just like Dame Drops. This could be a good time. We got a meat lover's burrito. So what if it's noon? I like breakfast, all right? This is stupid. I don't know if this is gonna make the final cut. Well, it's freaking hot, but it's meaty and delicious. Get there.
Tastes like you're getting better.
Tastes like I'm getting fatter. Cheers. Woo! Yeah, baby. It's a winner, guys. Going down, Canada. This is the real deal. You know it's good. Alright guys, we're back. We're here with the taste test. Got it plated up all nice for you. One thing I forgot to mention is that I did... Mother... Hey, shut up! Those were great, weren't they? Alright, so, the prize I'm giving away. Yes, you too can win your very own 8x10 picture signed by the man himself. That's right, you get an autographed picture of me. And maybe a gift card stamped to the back. Alright, so put a comment below, something, say hi, whatever. On this one, I'm not going to answer the comments because I don't want the random comment generator to pick one of my comments. So I'll do the announcement probably a week after this one's released. Give everybody plenty of time to put some comments in there. But again, thank you so much for all the support. Y'all been great. I couldn't have done without you. So, thanks for stopping by. And how about thank you for winning with CJ. All right, take care, guys.